Okay, it's Sunday evening, and I am here to do the drawing for the Breakfast at Tiffany's journal and notepad. And I had 18 entries, and they're all folded up in here. And I've mixed them around in my cool bowl I got at the Goodwill Clearance Center. And I will close my eyes and pick a winner. I know you're saying, hurry up, open it. And the winner is Diane, Scrappin' Crazed. Diane, I have your old address, so if you will PM me your new address, I will get these in the mail to you. Congratulations, Diane. Thanks for everybody else that left a comment. Bye now.